Hello guys, so I actually just got done filming this video and then I went to stop my camera through my computer or my laptop and I realized that it was not recording the entire time. So we're gonna try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my fall Fabfitfun unboxing. This month or this season's box is looking different, like size-wise. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I received in this season's box. And yeah, I made sure that my thing I pressed record. So let's go ahead and do this. Before I start, I want to welcome you guys to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you guys never miss out on any of my future uploads. So if you guys are new to Fabfitfun, or if you guys are new to my channel or my Fabfitfun unboxing, Fabfitfun is basically a seasonal subscription where it ranges from beauty products to lifestyle products and all of that good stuff. And the box is $49.99 a month, but if you guys are new members, you guys can get $10 off your first box and it will only cost you $39.99. Did I say $49.99 a month? No, just $49.99 a box if you guys are already Fabfitfun members. But if you guys are new members, you guys can get the box with $10 off and you guys can get it for $39.99. There are two subscription types or two member types or membership types. I am a seasonal member, but you also can get or you also can be an annual member, and annual members actually pay $179.99. And I believe if you choose to be an annual member the very first time that you apply or subscribe to Fabfitfun, you also can get $10 off, I believe. Yeah, don't quote me on that, but I believe that's how it works. But I am planning to upgrade my membership to annual because annual members actually get to customize more products and get their boxes early, whereas seasonal members also get to customize their products, but not as much as annual members, and they do get their boxes a little later. If you guys are excited, let me know down below in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. But let's just go ahead and start this unboxing. So before I start, I hope that the lighting is okay. I am using my ring light, but we are having rainy days these next few days, but I wanted to film this video, so yeah. And it's cute to doing up. I do film in front of my closet, and I'm trying to figure out a good filming areas here in my room, but there's not that much space in my room to film with a good backdrop, but just a cute thing. Anyway, let's just go ahead and start. So as always, you will always get this magazine in the box, and it will always show you guys all of the products that they offer this season for the Fabfitfun box, as well as some cool recipes and other exciting things. I'm not going to use this as a reference, but I will always have the products listed down in the description box, as well as the retail value, and I will also have the product name and the retail value somewhere on the screen right here for reference. Alright, so the very first item that I actually customized is this one from Coach. Like I said, if you guys are just tuning in, I actually just tried to film this a few minutes ago, and when I pressed the stop button on my laptop, I realized that I wasn't filming. So there are two products in here that are not wrapped up already because I filmed it the first time. So, and this is one of the products. But so the first thing that I customized is this one from Coach, and this is actually a jewelry set. This is the first time of being a Fabfitfun member that I actually did get to choose a jewelry. I think this is the first time. I don't remember choosing. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the second time. I did choose a necklace. It is in my collection somewhere, but this is something that I've always wanted, especially from Coach. I do love Coach. I also love Michael Kors, but I love Coach as well. But this is, again, like I said, a jewelry set, and it is a set of a necklace and earrings. So it is a stud necklace. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but this is what the necklace looks like, as well as the stud earring. There is a little bit of there's a diamond in the center of the necklace, but the earrings are just like a rose gold shade right there. Very excited about this. Again, like I said, this is the first time that I've owned a Coach jewelry, and when I saw this as one of their customization products, I definitely decided to grab it. So very excited about this one. So I took all of the products out of the box so it's easier for me to go through this video without having to stand down because I do have the box on the floor. But I do realize that I chose a lot of skincare and one makeup product. So I'm going to go and show you guys the makeup product that I chose for as my customization. The next product is from Benefit and this is the POREfessional Pore Primer. So this is a great pore filling primer and I do have this. I received the full size one from John I believe 2 months ago and I absolutely love it. I have a 14-year-old and she's my oldest and she loves makeup as much as I do and she was looking for a good pore filling primer and I did decide to tell her about this one. I was gonna give it that and then I realized or I saw that Fabfitfun was offering this product as one of the customization products. So I decided to get this for her and this is what the packaging looks like. And it is more on the deluxe size. Mine is much bigger than this one, but it is a good size for her. So I don't think she doesn't wear as much makeup as I do. So this will be good for her and I'm going to be passing this on to her being that I have one for myself. But like I said, this is a great primer if you guys want to fill in your pores and it is not drying at all and it's a great product. Okay, next up is this one from Purlisse and this is one of the many skincare that I chose, but this is from Purlisse like I said, and this is the pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask and it says it has citral and ginger mere and it's supposed to detoxify your skin. So this is what the packaging looks like right there. I love anything pumpkin, especially pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys prefer the pumpkin spice lattes from Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks or any other cafes or coffee shop. Let me know which ones you prefer, but love pumpkin spice lattes, cold or hot. I don't like pumpkin pie for some reason, but everything else pumpkin I like. Very weird, but that's how it is. But again, this is what the actual product looks like right there and it says it's supposed to gently detoxify pores, clarifies and brightens and exfoliates and purifies. Everything that I need and are looking for in a mask. So very excited about this one. It is sealed, but through the seal you can actually smell the pumpkin. So I'm excited about this one. I will try it out and let you guys know what I think about it in a future video or I'll update you guys in the comments down below, but very excited. I love masks, so I'm excited to try this out. Up next is a brand that I've never heard of before and this is from Ren Clean Skincare and this is the Evercalm Global Protection Dry Cream. So this is what it looks like right there. Again, like I said, I've never heard of skincare of this product before or of this brand before, but this is one of the beauties of being in a subscription because you get to try out brands that you've never heard of and just get to see if you like them or not. I'm actually not quite sure if this is a moisturizing lotion or a moisturizer, but it does have a little bit of a scent when I tried it out earlier. But this is what it looked like. It does have a pump. I did apply it on my skin and it still showed a little bit of sheen to it. I'm excited about this one, but it does have a little bit of a scent. If you guys are sensitive to scent, you may not like this, but it does feel very hydrating and moisturizing. Love any product like that. Okay, up next is another brand that I've never heard of. And this is from M.A.D Skincare. And this is the Glycolic Age Diffusing Cleanser. And it says it's enhanced with oat-derived actives for long-term moisturization. This is what the packaging looks like. And then when you open it up, this is a cleanser. So I love trying out new skincare. I did mention in a couple of videos ago how skincare can get very expensive. So when you have the opportunity of choosing a skincare as a customization item or when you receive a skincare product, especially those high-end ones in a subscription box, it is amazing because skincare is very expensive. But this is what the packaging or the product looks like. It is a pretty decent sized cleanser. What cleanser am I using right now? I'm using the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleanser right now, but when I'm done with that, I will try this out. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I do have the pharmacy open right now, so I'm going to test this out. Doesn't seem to have a scent to it. If it does, it's very mild, but I am looking forward to trying this out and I'll let you guys know what I think about it once I try it out. Okay, swear there's something wrong with my little Canon thingamajiggers over here, but I didn't realize it stopped filming. So I'm gonna film this last segment of the video because I don't know how much if I even got it in this video. But I'm gonna show you guys the last product that I received in this season's box. This is a blanket. One of the things that I love about Fabfitfun is that they offer a variety of lifestyle products from cookware to candles to blankets. And anytime they have a blanket as a customization product, I always jump for it because I love blankets. I do have the marshmallow blanket that they had in last fall's box, and it is one of the most comfiest blanket ever. It is a different texture. This one is more textured than the other one, but it does match my sectional. I have a dark gray sectional right now, and the blanket, the marshmallow blanket, is more of a lighter, fuzzier gray blanket, and it's super soft. My oldest daughter and I always fight over the blanket, but now that I have this blanket, we can choose either one. So this is a different color though, and this blanket is from ARHAUS, and this is the Waffle blanket. So again, like I said, it is more on the textured side, and this is something that I actually don't own, this kind of blanket before with this kind of texture or this type of texture. And the measurement for this is 50 inch by 60 inch. So I will try to insert a clip of me showing you guys how big it is in person. And if I do have it, I'll insert it right now so you guys can see. But this is what it looks like. I love the forest green color on this. It's so fall, and it's perfect for the fall or Christmas even, and I'm excited for this, and I love the feel of this. It feels like it's going to be a warm, cozy blanket, and it'll give that warm, cozy fall vibe to my living room. So I don't really have like a specific color scheme in my apartment in general, so but I try to decorate as much as I can. But I like this shade of green right here. Again, perfect for the fall, perfect for Christmas, and perfect for basically all year round. Excited for that one. Alright guys, so that is it for my Fabfitfun unboxing. Let me know down below if you guys are annual members or seasonal members, if you guys received any of the products that I got in this season's box, or if you guys have tried any of the products that I got in this season's box. Let me know what your opinions are on each of the products that you guys saw in my box. But again, like I said, that completes this video. Again, if you guys have not done so already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. And if you guys are new to my channel, I also do have a vlog channel. I always have that link down below in the description box. If you guys want to head on over there and subscribe, I would really love that. But yeah, like I said, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.